This one's a little trickier than some of the other ones, but we've got the piano being pushed up to the top of a ramp of a moving van. So we've got a ramp. And what do we know about this ramp? It's at 29 degrees. And we know that the back from here is 1.2 meters. Okay? So it's actually important to find what the length of this ramp is. Now, you've got the piano, it's at the top, right? And it's going to slide back down, and it's going to accelerate, because in a ramp, we've learned before, the acceleration is going to be negative g sine theta, g being 9.8 on the Earth, sine of theta, theta is 29 degrees. So you can find a, boom, that's going to be a. But you also need to find what distance this is. And now again, some trigonometry, this is opposite, right? This is the opposite of 29, this is the hypotenuse. So you'll say sine of 29 equals 1.2 over, let's say, L for the length of the ramp. Solve for L, and then you're going to plug it into, now what equation did I plug this into? I did this equation. I said x2, right, equals x1 plus vxt plus 1/2 at squared. x2, how did I set this up? I said x2 is equal to, I had to find, that's going to be this number right here. If he's starting at 0, he's going to end up at negative whatever h, I'll say, or L. I call it L over here. So that's the hypotenuse, L. So that will be whatever this number is. That's your x2, x1 is 0. V, it's starting at rest, right? But then it's going to slide down. So this term's going to drop off. You know A is from here, and then T, you can solve for, that's what you're solving for. You will have to do a square root of something. It's not a quadratic, though, so it'll be an easy mathematical problem to solve. So, yeah, that's how you do it.